Hi, and welcome to Camera Smash. Today I will compare two brand new action cameras, the Gopro HERO 11 Black and the DJI Osmo Action 3. First is the megapixels. The GoPro has 27 megapixels and the DJI has 12 megapixels. Next, the GoPro has cinematic 5.3K 60 frames per second video, and the DJI has 4K 120 frames per second and super wide field of view video. The GoPro is waterproof up to 10 meters and the DJI is waterproof up to 16 meters. The GoPro has HyperSmooth 5.0 video stabilization and the DJI has Rocksteady 3.0 video stabilization. The GoPro HERO 11 has a water-repelling lens and the DJI has a high-strength lens. The GoPro is 71.8 by 33.6 by 50.8 millimeters and the DJI is 70 by 31.8 by 44 millimeters. The GoPro HERO 11 does not have an inbuilt vertical mount and the DJI does. Why is the GoPro HERO 11 Black better? It has more megapixels. Why is the DJI Osmo Action 3 better? It has better video frames per second, it is waterproof up to 16 meters, it is smaller than the GoPro, and it has built-in vertical mounting. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.